Morning, I am Johnny mga sir, demonstrating vital signs. Needed, patient's profile chart, sphygmomanometer, stethoscope, alcohol, thermometer, kidney basin, cotton balls. Parts of sphygmomanometer: blood pressure cuff, measuring scale, blood pressure pump, pressure release valve. Parts of stethoscope: earpiece, diaphragm. First, let your patient sit on a comfortable chair. Let us get the patient's profile. Ma'am, your name po, your birthday, address, let's take the patient's blood pressure. Make sure that your two fingers can insert in the blood pressure cuff. Our patient's blood pressure is 100/70 and it's normal. Now let's take the patient's profile chart and record. Let's take our patient's body temperature. Let's sanitize the thermometer from tip to bottom. And wait for 1 minute. Body temperature of the patient is 36.5 and it's normal. Let us sanitize the thermometer from bottom to tip. Record the body temperature. Let's take the patient's pulse rate. Patient's pulse rate is 64 beats per minute and it's normal. Let's record it. And now let's take the patient's respiratory rate. Let's place the right arm of the patient on her chest and count for 1 minute. The patient's respiratory rate is 18 cycles per minute. Let's record it. I am Johnny mga sir, done demonstrating vital signs.